how to add the Bixby routines to the quick settings menu on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top with 2 fingers to open up the quick settings panel. Next, tap on the option key, and from the pop-out menu, tap on edit buttons. Next, swipe across in the available buttons panel, and then touch and hold and drag the Bixby routines icon down to your quick settings menu, and then let go. Next, tap on the done button, and that's it. Now you can turn on or turn off Bixby routines by tapping on the toggle button. So whenever you need to quickly access Bixby routine, you can open up quick settings menu and you can quickly turn on or turn off Bixby routines. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.